Hi everyone, welcome to Zendor. What if your home could manage its own energy and save you money automatically? And that is the idea behind our AI-powered home energy management system. It connects and manages everything from solar panels to appliances to cut down your electricity costs and make your sustainable living easy. And the theme of DIFA this year is to bring the smart energy for every home. And we are delivering this through 4 pillars of the innovation. First, data acquisition and monitoring. It gives you a crystal clear, real-time view of your energy flow. Second, energy dispatch and optimization. It intelligently sends your energy where it saves you the most money. Third, smart control and automation. It seamlessly connects your home devices for effortless, hand-free management. And finally, data reporting and analysis. It turns the complex data into a simple, actionable recommendations. Our Zenki AI is like a smart assistant. It checks the weather, electricity prices, and your family's energy consumption habits, and then smartly sends you free solar energy where it's needed the most. And let me show you the brain behind the operation. We have 3 modes in our system to fulfill different needs. And for example, like the Zenki AI mode, Auto mode, and Expert mode. And according to our lab data, it can increase the average return by 7 to 22%, and also reduce the cost, save up to 42%. And beyond that, our system integrates with more than 700 dynamic pricing and providers across 32 European countries. And that will make sure you will have the smartest financial choices automatically. Now, let's see this intelligence in action. What truly sets us apart is that this is the first plug-and-play energy storage system with such a level with the intelligent load control. Take the big energy users like the heat pump and the EV cars. HEMS turns them from energy drains into smart assets. Your heat pump can run on clean energy from the sun and leverage dynamic tariffs, enhancing both comfort and savings. For your EV, it automatically schedules charging when your solar is peaking or electricity prices are at their lowest. And it goes further. Our HEMS system can support up to 10 smart sockets and 6 energy storage units at the same time. Our approach is to make the powerful energy management feel simple. With Zendor HEMS, it actually gives you an intuitive dashboard and clear reports, not a boring and confusing spreadsheets. And for the ultimate easy of use, hi, show me the monthly report. So, by connecting how your home produces, stores, and uses energy, the Zendor HEMS does more than just save you the cost. It delivers the promise we bring to IFA this year. It truly brings the smarter energy into every home.